Hi everyone, I'm Molala Cook. We're making something super special. Remember in Friends when Phoebe said these were the best cookies in the world? Before we jump into the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Also, make sure to pick your preferred language track and subtitles in the settings. I added lots of extra details there. It's a new feature I spent a lot of time working on. Hope you'll like it. First, add some oats into a bowl. Then pour in the milk. Not for you to drink though. Microwave it for about 2 to 3 minutes until most of the liquid gets absorbed. You want it to look like this, still a little chunky, so it has a nice bite. Set it aside to cool down. Meanwhile, soak the raisins in hot water for about 10 minutes until they get nice and soft. Then drain them and set them aside. Look at my cat's face. It's so funny she's trying so hard to stay awake but just keeps staring at me. Now grab your softened unsalted butter. Oops, sorry, totally blocked her face there. She looks a little scared of the mixer sound and finally gave up trying to stay on camera. Beat the butter until it's nice and smooth and it turns a little pale. This step is super important. It makes the cookies extra soft and fluffy. Next, adding the white sugar, brown sugar, and a pinch of salt. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use light brown sugar or just regular sugar. But the color and flavor won't be quite the same. It'll be lighter and not as rich. Also, I already reduced the sugar a lot compared to the original recipe, so the sweetness should be just right. Don't worry. Then sift in the cake flour and baking powder. If you only have all-purpose flour, that's okay too, but the cookies might come out a little chewier. Then, add in the cooked oats. If you're using quick oats, you can skip microwaving them. Just toss them right in. Now, time to add the eggs. Make sure they're at room temperature. Add them little by little. Wait until each addition is fully absorbed before adding more. Otherwise, the dough might get too runny. Actually, I tweaked the original method a bit. Instead of adding eggs first, I add the flour first. This makes it much easier for beginners because adding eggs too early can cause the butter and eggs to split. Have you ever had your cookie dough separate into an oily mess? If yes, let me know in the comments. Finally, add in the soaked raisins. Oats can vary a lot in how much water they soak up, so feel free to tweak the amount of flour or liquid if you need. Now, use 2 spoons to scoop the dough. Wait, hold up! My cat can't come up here. Raisins are dangerous for cats, so gotta be careful. Each scoop should be about 50 grams. You should get around 6 cookies. Chill them in the fridge for 30 minutes to 1 hour until they firm up. Once they're firm, gently roll them into balls, then place them on a baking tray. Bake in the middle rack at 180 degrees Celsius, about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 minutes. Let them cool down a bit. When you bite into one, the outside is super crispy. The inside has chewy oats, juicy raisins, and that amazing roasted brown sugar flavor. It's so good. Even though they look kind of plain, they are honestly crazy delicious. This recipe is super easy and so tasty. You've gotta try it. If you like videos with this kind of voiceover style, please leave a comment and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on the little bell so you won't miss my next videos. Huge shout out to all my channel members. I'll be working even harder to bring you more exclusive content. Thank you all so much for your support. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.